Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn about how to generate the bill of quantity in ZWCAD. ZWCAD allows us to count the object and put those objects into the table along with legends so that we can easily recognize which item belongs to which quantity. So let us understand. Here I'm in ZWCAD and I have this drawing where I might need to calculate the total number of items. Let's say for this column with detail, this is a block, and it does not matter whether it is a block or non-block item. We can calculate the total number of quantities. So I want to calculate for all these type of items, chairs, maybe the number of doors and this window. So let's do it. It's very easy to do so. You can find a smart tab. Under the smart tab, here we have match panel and there we have object count. Just click on object count. A dialog box will appear object count. I can close the properties for the time being. And here it will ask you to select object from drawing area. Click on it. Select the object. This is a block item, easy to select. Block reference. Hit enter key. The item will be added here. This item I guess is a separate item, but anyways, again, let suppose I need to add multiple items. I'll click on it and I'm selecting this whole desk. So this is also a block item. Hit enter. That has been added. Clicking on it, I also want to include this particular item. Click on it and let's say this door here. Enter, including this window. Enter. So you can include as many items as you want. This whole is a separate item, so that's all up to you how you want to calculate or include all these. Yeah. Let's say I have selected these many items, 5 items. Hit count. It will take a while, depends upon the size of the drawing, and you will see the count here. You can see count object 791855. Once it is calculated, just hit create table and then you can place the table on your screen. Placing it here, its size is very small, but you can zoom in and you will see that the object, it has automatically calculated these items because this was having different category where it has calculated all of them. Count object 1 2 3 61 8 10 and total is 79. That is the preview. Next you can, maybe these are the different blocks with different names. That's how it has calculated them. After that, yeah, because you can see here this item is rotated in this side, this item is a little bit different, and this table 1 and this table total quantity is 8 doors, this side and that side windows. So this is really a very good tool which can save a lot of time for us, and we can calculate these items with high accuracy. That is the benefit. You can just use the scale command to increase its size a little bit so that we can see them properly. There we go. And this is how we can calculate the quantity. We can generate the bill of quantity or bill of materials in ZWCAD. Thank you so much.